In this industry, owning your masters means owning your soul. Melly, your voice completes the fire.
Let's build our empire together, Dan. We keep 100% of our masters. We keep 100% of our masters and full creative control.
No label will steal our royalties. Ethics first.
I want you to know I'm so in love with you.
I'm playing our track at Tina's birthday tonight.
Go shine, baby. This is just the beginning.
I'm just trying to have a good time.
This is a hit!
I'm just trying to have a good time.
Let's go! Viral overnight, #MellyMore is trending everywhere.
This could be big business if we play it right. Huge advance and worldwide distribution.
We want co-production and full masters ownership.
That's reasonable. Melly, I'd like to discuss the deal alone.
Something doesn't feel right.
Sign with news and leave Dan be my girl. I'll make you a superstar with the right concessions.
That's not happening. He wanted me to dump you and be his girl for the deal. I can't believe I almost did it.
Classic predatory move. We won't sell our ethics or our masters. We build independently. No compromises on ownership.
We build independently. Our art, our rules.
I feel the rhythm start to rise, and let it take me to the sky.
Streams are rising on our own terms. Joy returning.
Fine. Co-producers with full masters ownership.
Integrity wins. We own the masters.